Hi all, welcome back to MapMyHouse, another video. Here in this video, I'm going to tell you about the 5 mistakes to avoid while designing your modular kitchen. Number 1. Not planning according to your requirements. See to it that your kitchen is planned as per your style of working in the kitchen and not only the recommendations of your designer or the kitchen brand. How to decide the position of stove, sink and refrigerator at the most comfortable position for you and shall ensure good workflow within the cooking space. Align the chimney according to the position of the cooktop. Make a list of electrical appliances you would like to install in the kitchen and plan the power outlets accordingly. Number 2. Choosing the wrong material. If you are opting to customize, have a carpenter build your modular kitchen, then it is important to use the strong and durable material for the construction. Granite, marble, and quartz are the most sturdy, long-lasting, and easy to maintain options for countertops. Materials like solid surfaces but are prone to scratches and need periodic maintenance. Go for BWR, plywood for cabinets. Avoid materials like MDF or particle board because these materials will require gentle handling while opening or closing the shutters and tend to get damaged in areas prone to moisture. All hardware and modular kitchen accessories should be in stainless steel so that they are rust proof. If the kitchen is small or compact, it is essential to go for full height cabinets like the one in the kitchen here. Just notice how the overhead storage cabinets make efficient use of vertical space. Go differently sized drawers for deep and shallow storage with plate and cutlery organizers. Do not load the drawers with excess weight. Segregate your kitchen storage into everyday ingredients that are stored within the overhead cabinets or shelves and a pantry area for daily, monthly food supplies like dal, rice, flour, and so on. Designate one area specifically for keeping small electrical appliances such as toasters, juicer, and blender. Number 4. Poor lighting. The overhead cabinets usually create a shadow effect. Hence, it is important to provide sufficient lighting for the food preparation zones. Plan a layered lighting arrangement with the ceiling lights and task lighting. Make provision for recessed under cabinet lighting with LED strip lights as in the above example to illuminate the countertop. Consider internal lighting within the overhead cabinets that can be turned on automatically when the cabinet door opens. Number 5. Choosing the wrong modular accessories. Make it a point to go through the catalogs and choose modular kitchen accessories that are in sync with your requirements. For example, some homeowners might find it difficult to bend down to reach for everyday ingredients from the bottle rack, like the one in this image. In such a scenario, one should opt for wall-mounted accessories, install a pull-out kitchen pantry, or use the overhead cabinets for everyday ingredients. Here were the 5 basic yet important points to keep in mind while designing your home kitchen. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more.